Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today on the auspicious occasion of Holi, I am going to show you a very quick and easy Thandai Premix. So let's get started. Thandai Premix is a mixture of nuts and spices. So I am going to roast all of them on a very low flame. Let's begin by adding some almonds, cashews, pistachios, melon seeds, Fennel Seeds, peppercorns, Cardamom Seeds, a small piece of nutmeg. Let's roast this lightly on a very low flame. Roast till slightly aromatic for about a minute. Let's add some khus. Roast it for about 10 to 20 seconds, not more than that. This is done. Let's turn off the heat. I'm going to add some rose petals, which is totally optional, but it gives a nice aroma to our thandai. Let's give it a final mix and set it aside to cool. Our mixture is cooled down. Let's grind it to a fine powder. Our mixture is cooled down. This is the consistency we want. Let's prepare the thandai. In a blender, let's add some ice, a generous amount of prepared Thandai Premix, sugar. Let's add chilled milk and now let's blend it. Add this Thandai drink to your Holi party menu and share it with your family and friends. Wishing you all a very happy Holi.